All right, there's a couple young fans that want to meet me here this morning, so we'll head out here and say hi to them.
How's it going?
Pretty good, yourself?
Pretty good. Walking, chasing.
How's it going, guys?
Good, good.
Right on. What, gonna do some sledding today or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, Boulder Mountain?
We're going to Frisbee today.
What are you guys riding?
I'm riding with him.
Yeah. Teach him how it's done?
Pretty much.
Yeah. We're working our way through here now. We got some little mountains beside us. Slowly just getting into the freezing line. Uh-oh.
I got scared at the top.
Yeah.
I was coming up, and then for a split second, it looked like it was like 10 feet down further than what it was.
Yeah, it's like 4 feet.
I know.
Yeah, your first time, it's a little scary.
Yeah.
When you don't know what you're getting into.
I knew we had to get into it, actually get into it.
Onward and upward. What a day. Which way do you want to go?
We can go up this road and
I've only been that way. I haven't been that way.
this is like a shortcut.
What'd you find yourself back there?
You know,
Little creek hole?
got a phone call.
Oh. Phone call.
This is call on Saturday, eh?
Nice to get some sun today. Haven't had sun in a minute. Surprised there's not hardly any tracks up here. Now we venture into zones unknown. I mean, Dallas has been this far back, but I have not. Cannot see anything. At least there's some nice fresh pow up here today. Just hide the old tracks. I think we're going up here. Bit of a pull.
That's it. This is just the sides. I guess where we go up and then down.
Now we're to
Into the fog.
into the fog. Lovely. Where's all the snow? Dropping down into a lake down here. It's quite a long way down here. Got Dallas and John on the lake watching. It's very slippery.
That'd be a bit of a treat out of here. The steepest part's just in the rocks there. But you got lots of room to turn around. Turn out.
4 tracks down it too.
Yeah, it should set up.
Up it.
Snow actually got pretty deep back here. It's nice. Do some screwing around for a minute. on the side of this lake. Moving on in the tour. Definitely not this way. Dallas is just taking a poke up here. Wait for him to get up and then we'll follow. Turbos first. Didn't look like much on the map here, but looks a little more in person. Yeah. Dad said we should probably go around. Have a look at the other side. Well, I guess this is basically where we were trying to go. Somewhere over here. We're pretty much there. Just need that sun that I keep asking for. So it's actually decent.
Do you guys want to try to poke up this side, or do you want to go down a little bit and then poke up on the other side of this ridge?
Don't matter to me.
Well, I mean, we got to explore both sides, so let's start with the both side first then.
It's hard to tell how steep it is from here.
I think we got to go a little bit more left. Like, I'm going to go down and then start climbing up.
Yeah.
That way, I think. Or up that creek and then maybe connect across. I don't know.
That's kind of what I was looking at. Because there's a bit of a bench through there.
Oh, I've been wanting to put tracks in this zone for a long time.
Your childhood dreams have come true.
I made a lot of them come true this year. Or we have.
Bet you the GoPro dies. Oh, I just need to get rid of some weight. Who ordered these mashed potatoes? People following us in here. It's all the people who say I give away spots. Yeah, you're right, I do. They just follow our tracks. Just put lunch in the grill. We'll go up here to the plateau. Let it cook for a minute. Then you get some of the weight off the back of the sled. It just skis in the air all day. Came back down here to look for Chase. Got the pierogies cooking. Get up to the lunch spot. Hopefully the sun pokes out a little bit again. What do we have there? Oh, no, that's not what we wanted. Well, this is probably the most bland and soggy pierogies I've ever had, but it's a hot lunch on the mountain. I guess Chase only got like 2 hours of sleep last night because he drove in. So he's a little pooped. How's that 2 hours of sleep treating you today?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Could use some more.
I couldn't do it.
I wouldn't recommend it.
Get yourself back and then just shoot through the trees over to there, and maybe there's an easier spot to go up there. Right where Dallas is going. Yeah, Dallas said it's good that way, so just sidle across through here.
This is a straight shot up. There's no trees on this hill.
10-4. All right, we found a more open hill here. See if Chase has some better luck. There you go. Ah, he's doing good now. He was doing good. He made it through all the shit. And then, I don't know, maybe he lost it there. Did he make it up there? We just didn't see him. Tree hopping. There's another group that I got up here. They approached our tracks, so they're probably already up here ahead of us. Dallas is lying here. Oh yeah. I always get nervous flying up over something like that. You see the videos on YouTube where the cornice breaks out from under guys. See, he scared himself. Just a tiny little ledge there. Are these those other guys' tracks or are those yours?
Those are the other guys.
Oh, fast. Got the long truck crew there, all on 175. He was saying they came back here 20 years ago and they dropped down in this hill that we dropped in at the start of the day, and then that's pretty much the rest of the day getting back out.
I got a little scary up there. It was pretty socked in up there, and I couldn't see. Everything was just gray.
Yeah.
I didn't quite like it.
No, it's not a nice feeling. I don't know if the sun's coming back either.
And like it just kept going up, man.
Did it?
I didn't even hit the top.
Yeah, on the map it looks like it just keeps going up and up and up right to the top, like pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for today. End of the line. It's all socked in up there, can't see anything. And so we'll drop into the sun here in this bowl, see what's in there, then work the way out. this would have been a cool way up. Dallas would be like, oh my god, man, we should have went up that way. I could almost guarantee it. Or something like that.
Go up that next time. I can't believe we missed that.
Yeah, that would have been fun. Snow's way better on this side. I mean, that's not really surprising. Well, that's a big hole. Somebody ended up in there too. So it's so fluffy on this side. Now for the good hill climb out of here. Oh, a little backfire. Feisty. See how long it is wide open to get all the way up? Pretty cool day out here. Still tons more area to explore in here. You know, we only touched a fraction of it. Oh, get some speed now. Woo! Yeah. It's really amazing the places you can friggin' get on a snowmobile. Like, you're never gonna friggin' hike up that. Oh man, it's cold. Woo. Oh yeah, that's nice. Whew. Well, we're on the way out, but I guess Chase is stuck in a creek or something. Well, look who we found in the rhubarb, eh? I mean, at least you're not between the sled and the tree. Might have hurt a bit. Alright, now we're on the way out of here. The fog is rolling in. That's all I got for you today. Another awesome day out there, breaking into a new zone. It's always fun exploring new places. As always, thanks for watching. I'm not sure what the plan is tomorrow yet. I might go pick up the 146 off my buddy Devin because it is getting to be 146 season again. But we'll have to see what happens. Anyway, appreciate a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you tomorrow.